guys, so we're in Walmart and we're here for this little one. So we're gonna be doing her period kit. Like I told you guys, we're gonna get ready to do her period kit. So she's gonna pick out what she likes. I already have a bag. I already have a bag for her. So all we're gonna do is have her pick out which ones she wants to use, and then we're gonna go home and stuff her bags. So let's do it. I'm so excited. So let's see what we have. They have a lot of selections. So, oh, they have the Kotex teams. You want to try these? These are 16 pads. And this one is what? It doesn't say what kind of flow it is. It doesn't say which flow this is. Take a look at that and tell me if it says.
What is that?
Absorb, like our heavy flow pads. Okay, well we're gonna go with this, okay?
Okay.
So, and then let's see. Let me see. You like the colors?
Yes, I like the colors.
You like the colors? Okay. I think that's the only one that caters to teens. Is it the I don't know if it's the flex foam. I like the foam. Do they have the teen ones for foam? Mama, you want to get? I like these because these are better. They absorb better. So you want to try this one, or you want the colored ones?
I want the colored ones.
The colored ones?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we'll do that one for you. So put it in the thing. And we need some panty liners here. Where are the liners? Do you see them?
No.
Over there, mommy. Go over there.
Don't do that.
No, liners. These.
They're so tiny.
Yeah, those are for
They're so weird.
Or do you want the pink ones?
The pink ones?
The pink ones?
Are they colored?
Anti-fresh. Those are regular.
Yeah.
These are thin.
What do you? Yes.
These?
No, these.
These? Okay. We'll get these then. And okay. They have tampons, but I don't think we're gonna start you on that. So we're not gonna start you on that.
The compound W has one, and then we have a generic.
Right here. Alright, so we're gonna put that in the cart, and then
Get it, mommy? Small, medium, kind of medium, big.
alright. Right for your bag?
Sure.
Just in case you forget one.
Yeah. Bye.
You forget to put on it home, you can put on.
Toy?
Which one?
Want to take a toy out?
They only have 1 cent, I think.
Want a new one?
You want it?
Sure.
Okay.
Want to get anything here? Yeah, sure. That's fine.
Okay, put that in the cart. We need wipes. We need some wipes.
Hey, want some toys over there? No? Want a mirror?
These are makeup wipes.
I'm gonna get a mirror, okay? I'll be right back.
They have a bag already, Mommy.
Want me to stay here?
But that's too big.
What? Okay, want me to go get you a mirror? You go get a mirror.
That bag is too big and it's see-through. We need a bag that's small.
See there, what?
Did you see the wipes?
The wipes?
Yeah.
No. These?
No, those are wet ones. We need like wipes. Like, just in case. No. Oh, here, flushable wipes. I'm gonna need that. Do you want the Huggies? Yeah, they're the same.
Yeah, both of them or no?
You can get that. Is that too big for a bag? Look.
Charming to go.
Okay, we're gonna do this one.
Those are tulips.
We're gonna do that one. And
I think you're over conditioned. This is possible. How many has it?
yeah, what is this? Is this Tylenol? Oh no. Oh, here you're gonna need these.
What is that?
Tylenol. So we're gonna put that. You can have medicine at school, right?
Yeah.
You just don't have to. No one has to know that it's in there. Okay. I'm gonna show you how to use them, just in case. So put it in the cart. So we got that. What else we need? So we have pads, panty liners.
What do you want here? Show me.
I think that's it, honey.
Okay.
I think I have a bag, but
That looks flower one.
it's too big. It's too
Yeah.
big.
Your skin.
It's big.
You don't like that? You don't like that one? Was this one good? Some like the 24. Do this.
Honey, we're trying to build a period kit.
I just did that. No more?
All right, come on, let's go.
Ooh, brushes.
You want a period kit too?
Look, Mommy, Maddie needs a new brush.
Oh, Maddie needs new brush. Okay.
Because whenever you do my hair.
So last on our list is underwear, so we have to go get some underwear. Come on, boys. I mean, she has, but new is always better, you know what I mean? So I see they have some the other day on clearance. Oh, I found them. All right, Mommy, I think we found them. You are size what, 12? Okay, so yep, right here. What are these? Hipsters. What is the rest of them? What color are you? That's what. I think they're all hipsters.
Briefs.
I don't want hipsters. We want something that's gonna cover your bum.
Where was this here?
Okay, we'll go with briefs.
Ooh, I like these.
Well, those are nice. We could go with a black one.
Yeah.
That way it could hide any kind of accidents. Okay, put it in the... All right.
I fixed it.
So we're leaving Walmart right now. Spent $114. I only came, what do you want? I only came to make a period kit for Destiny. And I spent $114. No way. No way. You do the same. So I'm gonna try to explain this. I'm gonna try to explain this to hubby and see what he says. Okay guys, so we're home. Took my wig off, yes. And stay tuned for the next video of us putting this stuff together. It was so much fun picking out stuff with her. I've been telling her for a while now that I'm gonna be having a period party for her, and she doesn't believe me. So I don't think I'm gonna do that, but I'm just saying it's important for us to celebrate our little girls and for them to feel like what they go through in life matters. And I don't want to just push it off as, you know, this is something that just happened. No, I want to be able to explain it to her and for her to feel confident within herself, no matter what it is that she goes through in life. So it was important for me to do this kit for her, and it's important for me to you know, be that figure in her life that teaches her every single thing about her body, and for her to understand that what she goes through is normal. It's nothing for her to be ashamed of, and I want her to be comfortable in her own skin. So anyways, guys, without further ado, if you guys are new here, my name is Janice. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button somewhere along the screen and become a sunshine. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.